Hi viewers, welcome to Start Coding Tamil. This is your Divya. Today's video we are going to discuss about a program which has a name called Election Statistics. Okay, this is the question. So let us discuss about the question. Exercise 2. Here you have to write a program, create a class called Election Statistics, which accepts the name of three political parties, and also it has to get the input, okay, number of votes in the last election, and display the percentage of vote each party received. This is the question. So we have four specifications, four requirements. First one, you have to create a election statistics. Then you have to create getting the input for the names and the votes, and you have to calculate the percentage and display the percentage, all the these political party as these number of votes and the percentage of vote. So you have to show this. So let's get started. Let's see the program. I'm already made the video. I already made this. So this is the class election statistics, which has the main method. In this, to get a user input, you have to declare a scanner input equal to new scanner of system.n, and enter. Then you're going to print a line that is enter the first party name, so that the user can identify what they want to enter. So, and it's like a label name, so enter the first party name, and I'm entering the user is entering the input that will be uh, get by input.nextLine of method, okay, which will be assigned to the political party 1. The same way you have to print the line of enter the votes of political party, and which political party, the name of the political party, that is what I am printing it in this second line. And to get the integer, you have to use input.next int of, then the which will be assigned to the vote party 2. Now I'm repeating the same for I'm repeating it for the second party and third party. Okay, here it will be same. Here you can find I'm giving the input.next, and here it's also input.next. Okay, I try to run without this. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, enter the first party name. So I'm giving Democratic. The votes of Democratic 100. So here you can see now it's getting printing the enter the second party name and enter the votes. It's keep on printing. It won't allow the user to enter the input, because we are using the input.next line. It just the control is going to the next line. To stop that flow, we are just giving a next input.next, so it will be like next line. Okay, it will be waiting to till the user enter the input. Just see, now I'm running that one. So enter the first party name Democratic, enter the second party name Republic, enter the third party name. See here you can now you can enter the each by line. So here you are now we just get the user input for the name, political party name, and number of votes for each party. What you have to do, you have to calculate the percentage. To calculate the percentage, how do you calculate the percentage? Okay, you have to get the, if I'm giving the party number 1 is like 100, it's like Party 1 is 100, then party 2 is 50. That's what I given before. So party 3 70. So here I have to find the percentage. How will you find the percentage? The percentage of each party. To find that, what will you do? You have to calculate the total number of votes. So total equal to party 1 plus party 2 plus party 3. Okay. So I'm getting the whole total number of votes. Now I want to find out each party's percentage. So the percentage is okay. Party 1 vote. Okay, vote percentage is equal to party 1 divided by total into, I'm converting into percentage, so 100. So this is what the logic behind the to calculate the percentage of three political parties votes. Okay, so this is what we are going to do it in the program. So the same way we are going to do is like we are calculating the total of vote party 1, vote party 2, vote party 3 and printing out the total. Then I'm calculating the person party equal to vote party divided by total. Instead of 100, I'm using a constant variable to save the percentage. So 100, it will be saved in the percentage. It is a constant. Okay. You can find here I'm using a typecasting double double. Do you know why? If I didn't give if I didn't give the double typecasting, if I didn't use the typecasting, vote party 1 divided by total will be 0. 0 into 100 will be 0. You will get only 0. Okay. So you want the decimal factors. So that's why you are converting into as a double. So double if then multiplied by percentage. Then you want it will be same for all the person party 2 and party 3. The same thing for all. It's the same logic will be followed for all the three parties to calculate the vote percentage. The next thing is we are going to print out these all three parties percentage. So here if you see that I'm just printing out the political party 1 name and has how much of votes vote equal to, I'm just rounding the person party will be like double, so it will be like number of characters. So if you want, I just show it to you what will happen. Okay, if I didn't give math dot round, you can find what is the thing. So enter the party first name, Democratic. Enter the second party name. Enter the third party name. Now you can see the Democratic has 100 votes equal to 45 point. Okay. Then it has 50 vote and 23% and 32%. So now here you see we didn't find the second name and the third party name. Let's find out what is the problem here. So I'm giving back the math round so that it will be rounded. If you want, you can put a percentage symbol. So that it will be concatenated. We got the error. We can't print out the name of the political parties. So have changed this to, instead of placing the input.next here, I'm just getting the party names using the next. Okay, it will be going to the next line, so that I'm just removing this n. Okay, so enter the second party name. I'm getting the input, string input using the input.next, and which will be assigned to the political party. The same thing I have followed for the third one, because of it is keep on repeating input scanner, so that's why it is skipped. To avoid that, I'm using input.next. So now I think the error got removed. Let's find it out. So enter the first party name, Democratic, votes 100. See, enter the votes of Democratic. Before it doesn't visible, I didn't notice. Now only see, enter the votes of Democratic is 100. Enter the second party name, Republic, and enter the votes of Republic will be 50, and the other will be, I'm giving the third party name is other, and the votes of other is 70. See, now it's printing the Democratic Party has 100 vote. Okay, which is equal to, we can give a space. Okay, so okay, so now it will be included as a space. So let's see here, if you see the Democratic Party has 100 vote, which is equal to 45%, and Republic has 50, which is equal to 23% and 32%. We don't need to write percent too, so I'm removing that too. So let's run again. Enter the first party name D, okay, Democratic, 100, and the next party name is R, sorry, R, because it's keep on it printing again R, because I'm printing out the political party name, that's why it's repeating again. Enter the votes of R is like T, and the third party name is other, and the 70 something you can give it. Say D has 100 vote, which is equal to 45%, 23%, and 32%. I think you understand this, because we have some problems, but anyway we sort it out. If you have any questions, post your questions in the comments. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to Start Coding Tamil. To get an automatic update, click the bell icon. Thank you all. See you in the next video, discussing about the same way some program, so that we can learn a lot. Thank you all.